we just left C-Jobs Theater. The atmosphere was amazing. Everyone was so excited, especially for the brand new pink iPhone 15, which I know you guys know I'm so excited about. So I'm gonna go show you guys the first look of it close up. Let's go. Love the brand new pastel green color. I'm loving the pastels and how it's a little darker around the edges. And check out the brand new USB-C. Now we're here with the brand new iPhone 15 in yellow. It has a little bit of a gold vibe to it. It is a lot lighter and way more pastel than the iPhone 14 that's yellow, as you guys have seen on my profile. But I'm really liking the aesthetic here with the pastels. It is giving beautiful pastel sky blue, and you can really see how gorgeous the sides are with that matte finish. I love how sleek it looks. Incredible, matches every single outfit. If you can't decide between a color, get the black. We're here with the pink iPhone. This is what I've been most excited about, something I've wanted forever. We've had pink iPhones in the past, but this one is a lot brighter. As you can see, a gorgeous, gorgeous finish. It is giving Barbiecore. It is giving the aesthetic I love. I can't wait for you guys to see it in real life. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure to hit like and subscribe, and I can't wait to share with you guys all the new products, so stay tuned. Bye!